Welcome to your new home, Leah. No mommy, no daddy, no more birthday cakes, just bars and concrete.
Oh no!
Here's a warning. One wrong move, and you'll wish you never screamed at that wedding. Out there, you were a problem. In here, you're nothing.
Well, fresh meat. So you're the crazy brat who ruined her parents' fancy party?
Party girl. Cake girl. Ha ha ha.
Listen up, princess. In here, I make the rules. You speak when I say so. Got it?
So this is the spoiled brat who trashed her parents' party?
She looks so scared. Maybe she'll cry for her mommy. Ha ha ha.
What's wrong, princess? No one here is gonna clap for you.
Shut up. Don't you dare talk about me like that.
Yeah. Fight. Fight. Fight.
Enough. Quiet down in there, or I'll drag you all to solitary.
This isn't over, princess. Next time, you won't get up.
I'll show them. I'm not weak.
Meal time. Line up.
That's all you get.
This? That's barely food. Give me more.
You're new here. You don't get to demand anything. Take it or starve.
That's all they gave you? Ah. Looks like someone's not very popular around here. Back at the wedding, you thought you were strong, huh? Throwing cakes, screaming at cops. Big drama queen.
Shut up. Shut up.
Or what? You gonna throw your food at me too? Oh wait, you don't have any food left to throw.
I said, shut up. Don't touch my food.
Break it up. Now.
Let me go. He started it. It wasn't me.
Shut your mouth. You're done, girl. You want chaos? You'll rot alone.
I'm not weak. I'm not the problem.
Welcome to hell. This cell is all yours.
She's our daughter, no matter what she's done. We can't just leave her there.
She crossed the line, Marie. Attacking people, attacking the police. This is not just teenage anger. This is out of control.
All the more reason we need to see her. If we don't, we might lose her forever.
Dad, can't we just see her? I miss my sister.
All right, we'll go. But Leah needs to understand this is her last chance.
Let's go. She needs to see her family. Oh my God, Leah, look at you. What have they done to you?
Don't cry, Mom. It's not just them. I did this to myself.
Do you even realize what you've done, Leah? Attacking people, attacking the police. You're destroying yourself and us.
I didn't want this. I just couldn't stop myself. Everything spins out of control.
Shoo, we know, sweetheart, we know you're hurting. But you have to fight it, Leah. Don't let this place break you.
Sis, please come home soon. I miss you. I don't want you here.
I'm sorry, Alex. I promise. I'll come back.
Time's up. Say your goodbyes.
I'm sorry, Mom. Dad. Please, please take me home soon.
Well,
Look who finally showed up. I've been waiting for you, Princess, for a long time.
no guards. No mommy. No daddy. Just us and you.
Stay away from me. Tonight, Princess, you're not walking out of here without a scar.
Stop. On the ground. Now. Stop.
Everyone out. Move it. It's over. You're safe. But if you keep fighting like this, you won't survive. I'll report this to the warden. Please. I just want to go home.
Please, she's just a child. She's our daughter. Let her go home.
We'll take responsibility. She needs her family, not this place.
Sis, please come back. I miss you every night.
I'm sorry. Mom. Dad. Alex. Please, take me home. I don't want to stay here anymore.
She caused chaos, but maybe prison is not where she belongs.
I promise. I'll change. I'll never hurt anyone again.
Make sure to subscribe so you can catch our new videos every day.